One of the greatest lessons I have learned in 2026 is that you need to understand code. Now, I'm not saying that you need to learn code because I've been there. I got interested in programming when I was like 13, and I started learning, not programming, it was more of web design. So I got interested in web design when I was 13, and it kind of took me a long time to master at least HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and even jumping into React. And what I realized along the way is that I don't need to become a traditional web developer to make websites, to create websites that I can instill my knowledge within it or sell a product. I could pick the necessary fundamentals I need to learn about creating websites and then let AI handle the rest. Because in almost every field in the world today, AI is extremely important, whether it's AI for prompting, AI for diagnostics, AI for sending messages, AI for writing scripts. Has become a massive part of people's lives. So, in order for you to use AI, instead of prompting AI blindly, like someone who doesn't know how to use AI, it's better for you to understand how AI applies to your specific field and learn whatever it is you need to learn about AI or about technology or about programming in that specific field. So, basically, understanding coding could take like a month if you focus, but learning coding could take like a lifetime, and that's what nobody wants. I'm talking from experience. So, understanding code is way better than learning how to code, because if you understand code, you're not studying code to be a web developer or leaving coding for the programmers. You understand some level of code to be able to apply it in your field. For example, a medical doctor doesn't need to learn how to code, but he needs to understand diagnostic software. A lawyer doesn't need to learn how to code, but he needs to understand how to write contracts for AI firms. Or a businessman doesn't even need to learn how to code. He needs to understand how to code. So if he has like someone in tech who is building a website for him, he knows how to tell the person what exactly he wants in that website. So learning to understand code is extremely important. All right, keep that in mind.